Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gusto Payroll easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Gusto Payroll, start by visiting the Gusto website. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click on Login instead. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you're a new user, fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payroll section from the main dashboard. Click on Activate Payroll to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to input your business information, including your business name and address. Next, provide your employer identification number, or EIN. If you do not have an EIN, you can apply for one through the IRS website. After entering your EIN, select your payroll frequency, such as weekly or bi-weekly. You will then need to input your employee information. Add each employee's name, address, email, and social security number. Specify their pay rate and job title during this step. If you have independent contractors, make sure to add their information as well. Once all employee details are entered, review the information for accuracy. Proceed by linking your business bank account to Gusto for payroll processing. Enter your bank's routing number and account number securely. Gusto may authenticate your bank account through small trial deposits. Once verified, return to the Gusto dashboard. Select your preferred payment method for your employees. You can choose direct deposit or paper checks based on your needs. Finally, set up your payroll schedule, aligning it with your selected payroll frequency. Review all settings one last time before finalizing the activation. Click on the Activate Payroll button to complete the process. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Gusto Payroll. Make sure to keep your records organized as you begin processing payroll. Continue to explore additional features in Gusto for managing benefits and HR tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.